Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. In today's video, we are going to be looking at My Legion secrets. Does it still work for you? This is a new year. I've been in for 12 months already, and I'm going to share with you everything very pretty much openly as a review. I want this to be a 1 year review kind of My Legion secrets, and we are going to get into all the details. So make sure that you do stay tuned till the very end because I'm going to show you a strategy or a few strategies that you can use and leverage to be able to get similar results as well. So let's hop onto my screen. All right, guys. So here I am on my screen and welcome to this video. I'm super excited for all of you guys who have been back here and coming to my videos every single week. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Make sure that you do subscribe so that you get information every single week or these videos every single week. I post 3 times a week, guys. So make sure you do subscribe because I am basically sharing with you tips and strategies on how you can start to pave the way for your dreams to come true. I specifically leverage affiliate marketing and I just want to transparently, openly share with you guys on YouTube. I believe that it is a place where you can get a lot of education done for free. And therefore, I want to give you guys this opportunity as well to get started. Now, just to give you an idea of what My Legion Secret is, if you're here for the first time or you do not know what it is, it's an email platform that generates or gives you 100 business opportunity or leads, yeah? Basically looking for e-business and e-marketing and so on and so forth leads every single day. Now, the way they do it is that they use co-registration leads to get to be able to share this with you. And so it becomes pretty cost effective. They are not the best and high quality leads, but they are definitely leads that convert. So if you ask me, after a year of using this, yes, I've been using it for the last 12 months. Does it still work? And I would definitely tell you yes. So I'm going to show you the amount of sales that I have made in this last year with My Legion Secrets and just using this platform itself. And I'm also going to show you when I made my first sale so you can see that it's been consistent, okay? It's not something that's happened just overnight. But that being said, guys, I cannot guarantee you these results. These are my results alone. I have all my disclaimers and disclosures in the description of this video, and no one can guarantee results. You do have to put in the work and the effort to be able to achieve your own results, okay? We're all unique individuals. We're all adults here, and therefore I'm going to be sharing with you this kind of information, but know that you have to put in the work and the effort. This is not going to happen overnight. This method or the strategy that I'm going to be sharing with you is something that works with time, okay? You have to consistently put in the work and the effort for you to get these results. Now, that being said, as I said, My Legion Secrets gives you 100 to 200 leads every day. That is the only thing that they guarantee you. They do not guarantee you any sales. They do not guarantee you anything else but those 100 to 200 leads. Us as affiliate marketers or marketers in general use these leads to be able to improve our marketing skill sets basically by using the email platform that they give us to send out an email once every 24 hours to these leads. And then the conversion is based on how we market, okay? It does not depend whether the traffic is good or bad in this scenario, but it's really how you market the best to these leads. And therefore, I said in the beginning, it's co-registration leads. Co-registration leads are people who don't know you. They basically added a tick mark on somebody else's promotion. They know that person, and now they are approving to be receiving emails from you, from another person, from a third party, which is you. Therefore, you have to build a relationship with these leads. You have to create that know, like, and trust so that when you do offer a solution and there's the right flow that's going in your marketing. Why do I say this flow? Because as marketers, this is important. When we're using copywriting, when we're using email marketing, and we're writing an email, having that flow to solve the problem being the product or service that we're sharing to the offer to these 100 leads, a percentage of that will convert into a sale if you are able to be able to communicate this properly to those leads. Now, obviously, you don't have control over everything, guys. All we can do as marketers is present the solution. Then the person will buy if they see that it makes sense for them. So the buying side is obviously we cannot control it. But what we can do is make sure that they have opportunity and also all the information available so that they can make an easier buying decision. This is what we can, let's say, influence, right? This is what we can participate in, and this is the skill sets of affiliate marketing that we need. And I always say there are two skill sets. Advertising, if you learn how to advertise, and if you know how to use copy or copywriting, this is going to save you a lot of time in the long term because you're improving the skill over time. The problem I believe that My Legion Secret solves is first and foremost twofold. The first thing is that to get 100 leads every day, guys, takes a lot of time. Me personally, if you're anything like me and then you have a full-time job and everything else and you're working this on the side, then having 100 leads every day is a big time saver. So that's why I personally have My Legion Secret. I have just one account. And so they're solving this problem of advertising for me. And the second thing is they're giving me a space where I can email every day and improve my email copy and email marketing strategy, style, find myself better and tell my story better and improve over time. This is what I've been doing for the last year. I'm being so transparent with you guys in terms of knowing that it is the skills that actually make the difference, not the products, not anything else, but the skills. Because the products is an outcome of your skills of how you're communicating. I hope this is clear. And this channel is all about that. So if you want to know specifically the exact strategy that I am using leveraging My Legion Secrets, then I have a course, a short course in the description of this video. You can check that out at any time. And if you want to join My Legion Secrets, the link is also in the description of this video. It costs you $60 the first month and then $30 every single month after that. That's pretty much it. I always say get started for at least have it for 12 months so that you can then evaluate really well, because this method of sending out an email every single day it really involves consistency and improvement. You're getting drip fed basically business opportunity, email subscribers, 100 to 200 email subscribers every day. I hope this is clear. I'm going to go into My Legion Secrets just to show you guys when I first got my first leads, just to give you a clear idea, right? So we're on in March 25th today. But as you can see, I got started actually on March 6th. March 6th is when I joined My Legion Secrets. So it's been over a year that I personally have it. And I want to show you also that I got my first sale. I use Warrior Plus as a network, affiliate marketing network that I share offers and services. And I made my first sale with My Legion Secrets. Let's just check this out. And I'm going to go to all time and you will see. And then I will put My Legion Secrets here so you can see the tracking. And then we will scroll down to see the first ever sale. So I made a lot of sales, guys. So let's just go and look at the first sale that I ever made, which is right, yeah, that's it. I made over 200 sales. So this is the first sale that I ever made with My Legion Secrets. And you can see that's on the 22nd of March, 2023. So I got started on the 6th of March. I sent out an email every single day, and it took me about 3 weeks before I made my first sale in Warrior Plus, as you can see on the 22nd of March. Okay, and this has been consistently generating me sales. As you can see right here, 2 days later, I made another 2 sales. 4 days later, I made another few sales. Then in the beginning of April, again, another. So in the beginning, it was like 3 or 4 days per sale. Then it started to get better. And right now, it's leveraging every 2 to 3 days, basically a sale. And some days, actually every single day. For example, you can see right here, I got on the 7th and on the 8th a sale. This is consecutive days sales, right? Here I got on the 20, let's see this year, just to show you guys a little bit, right? 22nd right here, 21st right here. So these are also consecutive emails that made a sale, and a gap of 2 days between the two emails that I got a sale. That's it. And then I made another sale here. This is again 2 days gap. So 2 days right now is what I'm seeing. Yes, I have got some refunds, guys. This happens. These are things that I cannot control. But at the end of the day, I still count these as sales because I managed to get a sale for that product, right? So my emails did convert. Then it was a refund. It's really out of the question. So that being said, post refunds, post everything else, I have earned commissions since last year just using My Legion Secrets. I've earned over $3,000 in commissions for 1 year of using this. So let me just break that down for you. It cost me $60 the first month. So let's say it's $60 the first month plus 30 into 11, because I spent $30 every single month after that. So it cost me $390 for the entire year, right? So this is how much I spent the entire year. Let me just put it that way. So let's say we go 30 into 12. How much is that? 360. So 390. Now, if I just take into consideration Warrior Plus alone, that's 3015 minus This is cool, right? So say this is the amount that I earned in Warrior Plus minus 360. Oh, sorry, 390, which is what I spent on mileage and secrets. So my total profit for the entire year of just purely sending an email with an offer every single day and making sales has been $2,600.25. So you are going to ask me whether mileage and secrets works or not. Well, this is proof for you that it does work, okay? And it's working right up till today. So 22nd of March, the first sale I made was on the 22nd of March the previous year. The last sale that I made was on the 22nd of March this year. We're on the 25th of March. I'm presuming that today I will already make a couple of sales as well. And basically, I'm rinse and repeating. What I'm focusing on is writing good emails and sending an email every single day to these leads. If you want to know more about this strategy and more mileage and secrets training, I have a free playlist in the description that has documented my entire year since the first 2 weeks that I started. It's the first time that I started using my Legion secrets till today. So everything, all my videos are there. You can check out the playlist. There are different strategies. There are different recommendations. Everything is available absolutely for free, guys, within the description of this video. But what I'm trying to get at here is that yes, these are my numbers, but at the end of the day, this is showing you that multiple products that I've promoted, yes, I've promoted literally multiple products every single month. I am getting conversions by just sending an email religiously every single day. The thing that is sometimes people don't understand is that when you're having a source like this, which you're paying $30 a month, you're paying $1 a day to maintain it. And even if you're making $30 that day, you made a profit, right? Because you're spending just $1, but you're making $30. And this is how it accumulates over time. Now, I leverage this 2000 plus dollars that I've earned personally. I leverage this to build my email list even further. So my Legion Secrets for me is a catalyst. It's an easy to start method. You can use this with Warrior Plus. You can use this with ClickBank. If you go to last week's, I think so, oh no, Friday's video, you'll be able to see the strategy. I use it with ClickBank as well. It's pretty much possible. And maybe in the future, I'll have multiple accounts. But what I wanted to share my mind and view over is that I will continuously use my Legion Secrets. I think it's an underground, not so secret after all that exists. Why? Because you're getting those leads. It's saving me time. This is the number one thing for me that's important. It's saving me time. And I'm leveraging and learning the skills of copywriting to be able to get those conversions. That is it. Now, I cover my entire strategy within a course that I created based on this after 9 months of actually doing it. So I go through all, sorry, I go through all the details right here in my course, and it's a 10 I think 10 lesson course. Yeah, plus bonus of all the offers that I own. But this is specifically step one, which is leveraging, as I mentioned, my Legion secrets. So just this is my entire strategy, just to show you, okay? To be very transparent and clear, this is my entire strategy. It's a very simple thing. I work my full-time job. I come here, I write an email every day. I send it to an offer. I get a sale. And then every month, I make sure that I have advertising running to my own sales funnel to be able to then get even more commissions on top of that. So this is how I'm leveraging the commissions that I get to make even more on the back end. But at the end of the day, it's not about the money for me. It's about providing the offer or services as an affiliate marketer that can solve a problem for my audience. And this is what it's teaching, the affiliate marketing essential. So that's in the description in case you want to check it out. Otherwise, you can just go through the free playlist and consume the content that you have on this channel. Do your due diligence, see whether it makes sense for you. My Legion Secrets, in my opinion, gets a 5-star, not 5-star, maybe 4-star review, because the leads can be definitely better quality, but it is good and really allows you to grow as an affiliate marketer. So I personally promote it, but it is not my my income earning potential. Like yes, also by the way, I've also earned commissions from my Legion Secrets itself. So just to show you, right here, as you can see, guys, I have commissions every single month that come in. They're $5 commissions, are basically people that, and these are reoccurring. Wherever you see RC, it means it's reoccurring, where people are buying this for multiple months. So that's creating almost a passive income for myself, right? And so I have earned in this last year of promoting, rather owning. So I have this tool, I have the source for 1 year. It cost me $390 to use it, right? I've made from my Legion Secrets itself paid to me, as you can see right here, paid to me, total paid to me is 588. So already just the cost of this tool, I've made recurring income, I've made money, and I've already got paid out $500. So I've already covered my costs for the first year just by doing this. It's not something that's going to get you a lot of money. Remember that. This is just a tool that can get you started, get your hands dirty. Make sure, when I say get your hands dirty, I mean actually get those results, right? Because when we feel those results, when we know we have those results, that gives us first and foremost the belief that we can actually do this. And I want to support you in your journey, so you can check out the course below, join my Facebook group. That's where I give one-on-one training with everybody, and I can see you guys in the future for any other videos. On Wednesday I'll be posting more about the tools that I use, so make sure that you do subscribe, guys. This is my 1 year anniversary, let's say, with My Legion Secrets. I'm really happy to use it, and I think it's something that everybody should be implementing in their business, because no matter what you're doing, you can still use these leads to start to generate an extra cash flow, whether it's 100, 200, $300 every single month. All you need to do is focus on your skill sets. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope this video was educational, helpful to you, and I will see you on the next one.